Ever wondered what it takes to design a building that stands the test of time, climate, and style? Architecture is a thrilling challenge, a blend of art and science. It's about creating structures that serve a purpose, fit their location, withstand varying climates, and respect the budget. It's not just about creating a visually stunning masterpiece, but about crafting a functional, sustainable, and economically viable space. The task is complex yet exhilarating. Designing a building is like solving a complex puzzle with countless possibilities. From idea to blueprint, every building has a story. Here's how the magic happens. Every building begins its journey with a site analysis. It's here that architects become detectives, investigating the location, the orientation, the climate, and the neighborhood. They scrutinize the lay of the land, the direction of the sun, the wind's whispers, and the area's vibe. They're looking for clues, hints that will inspire and inform the design to come. Next up is concept development, where the design starts to take shape. This phase is like a dance between the architect and the client. It's a back-and-forth exchange, a dialogue that blends the client's needs and dreams with the findings from the site analysis. The result? A concept, a vision, a dream in sketch form. Then we move on to the schematic design phase. This is where the sketches start to grow up, evolving into detailed drawings. The architect's pencil becomes a magic wand, transforming rough ideas into precise lines and shapes. It's a bit like watching a child's doodle morph into a masterpiece. Finally, we arrive at the design development phase. It's here that every detail is refined and finalized. Every nook, every cranny, every corner is considered, crafted, and carved to perfection. It's a meticulous process requiring patience and precision, but the reward is a design that's ready to be brought to life. The process of designing a building is a symphony of science, art, and human needs, all coming together in harmony. Let's take a closer look at how this dance of concept development unfolds with a visual aid. Imagine a blank canvas. This represents the limitless possibilities that architects start with. The first brushstroke is the site analysis, painting the basic elements of the landscape. The second stroke is the client's needs and dreams, adding color and texture to the canvas. The third stroke is the architect's creative touch, combining these elements into a cohesive design. The final stroke is refining this sketch into a detailed blueprint. So this is how architects turn abstract thoughts into tangible plans, a process that's as much an art as it is a science. Now let's dive into the heart of the process, where ideas start taking a physical form. Watch as the architect's pencil dances on the paper, transforming rough ideas into precise lines and shapes. This is where the magic happens. A rough sketch slowly morphs into a detailed plan. It's a mesmerizing sight, the birth of a building right before your eyes. The architect's sketch is a testament to the power of creativity and precision, where every line holds the potential of a wall, a window, a door. It's where the abstract meets the concrete, where dreams start taking shape. It's not just a sketch, it's the blueprint of a future masterpiece. So what does it take to bring a building to life? Well, let's take a swift walk through the key steps again, shall we? Firstly, we commence with site analysis, a critical phase where we examine the context, the environment, the topography, all the elements that would shape our design. From the sun's path to the direction of the wind, every detail matters. Then we move on to concept development, where our ideas start to take a tangible form. This is where creativity meets functionality, where abstract thoughts evolve into concrete plans. The third step is the schematic design. Here we sketch out the basic layout, the spaces, the functions. We're painting the picture of our future building. Finally, we arrive at design development, where all the minute details come into play. Every material, every joint, every light fixture, all meticulously planned and thought out. Remember, designing a building is not just about creating a structure, it's about creating a space where life unfolds.